Hi, my name is Dexter Evans. I'm an attorney at Woodruff Johnson Palermo. I'm here to talk to you today about umbrella coverage. What is umbrella coverage? Well, umbrella coverage is coverage that you can purchase to protect you in the event of a verdict against you that is in excess of your underlying insurance coverage. The most common time that this comes into play is in a car accident where let's say you're the injured person and somebody hits you and they have an insurance policy, but they don't have enough to cover your injuries. Well, if they had the foresight enough to purchase umbrella coverage, then that coverage will take over where their underlying coverage leaves off. It's not just for car accidents, it's also for your home. If you have somebody that gets hurt at your home, the umbrella coverage will be an extra layer of protection that starts to take effect after your homeowner's insurance is exhausted. If you have a dog bite, you have a dog that bites another person, whether it be a neighbor or a friend that's over, again, the umbrella coverage will take effect after the homeowner's policy is exhausted. There are some exclusions in these policies. One is that they typically do not cover intentional or reckless acts, although most insurance policies do not. They also will not cover your business generally. Your business insurance should take care of any injuries or damages that are associated with the actual business. It also, unfortunately, does not protect you. So if you are injured as a result of the negligence of somebody else and all the insurance is exhausted, your own umbrella coverage likely will not apply in those situations. So the question becomes, should you get it? And the good news about the coverage is that it's relatively inexpensive. It can be anywhere as little as $100 per year to $200 per year, and it covers you usually at least up to $1 million, sometimes even above that, depending on how much you want to get. And it protects your assets. And not all of us are rich, and we don't have substantial assets, but if you do have boats, planes, things of that nature, large 401ks, large bank accounts, it will protect those assets from getting extinguished due to a huge verdict or judgment against you. It also will come into play to cover injuries that are associated with some of your assets, like a boat or an airplane, although I know a lot of us, I know I do not have an airplane. But it's something to consider. It's relatively cheap, and it will buy you peace of mind in the event of a verdict or judgment that could potentially do substantial damage to your assets. It was a pleasure speaking with you, and I look forward to speaking with you on additional insurance coverage issues in the future. Thank you.